Alright guys, so we are going to install the windscreen. Here's how this all works on an R6. Take off your mirrors or your block off plates if you got them. Screw, and screw. The block off plate, if you've seen my previous video, has 2 screws to each side. 10mm takes them off, there and there. Let's get to it and I'll take them off. Now this rubber piece here, it might come off. Just slide it onto your block off for your mirror plates and just screw these on. And don't do that. Get your screwdriver and take off 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips. Now that you have them once out, make sure you set them aside, and you're just going to pull this up and kind of back towards the rear there. And there's going to be these. Look, I've already taken one out. They're going to look like that, and you're going to want to take them out. They just pull out, and so let me show you right here. This one, it's going to be a pain because I'm going to record it. Go figure. There you go. Yeah, just pull it out. Alright, so these go into the new windscreen. Set this one aside and take a new one and just pop these in the same way. Now that once all your little bitch ass grommets are in, you just repeat the process and slide it down this time into this little groove here. Once you slide everything in, you just go in and start your bolts all back up. Get these all lined up and started. Just start with your hand. If you run into the problem that you have it stripped out, just go in there, take a Dremel, and just make it into a flathead instead of a Phillips or whatever yours are, and that'll fix your problem most of the time. If not, you might have to drill it out. I got lucky here and just made it into a flathead. I can't even see it, but there you go. This is what it looks like now. Alright guys, remember to put all your screws back and tighten them all up and go ride. Alright, Dirty Motovlogger's out.